Whipping up the perfect omelet, pancake batter, or fluffy meringue starts with a good egg beater. Whether you're a home cook or a professional baker, having the right tool can make all the difference in achieving the perfect consistency with minimal effort. In this guide, we've rounded up the 5 best egg beaters that stand out for their efficiency, durability, and ease of use. Number 5. Rotary Egg Beater 12-inch stainless steel baking set with silicone spatula and basting pastry brush. About this item, the classic manual rotary egg beater is a convenient tool that requires no electricity. With its fast rotary action, allows effortlessly beat eggs, whip cream, blend batters, and mix food with ease. Heavy-duty 304 stainless steel wires and POM gears make it a strong and sturdy kitchen tool. Comfortable chrome-plated plastic handle provides a firm grip for easy use. Baking set includes a silicone spatula and basting pastry brush for added convenience and versatility in the kitchen. Number 4. Norpro Egg Beater Classic Hand Crank Style 18 out of 10 Stainless Steel Mixer 12 inches. About this item, sturdy hand mixer easily mixes up ingredients for smaller baking jobs without the use of electricity. Fast rotary action to easily beat eggs, blend batters, whip cream or egg whites, and much more. Hand crank beaters are not fitted to a particular mixing bowl, so you can use in any type of bowl. Includes 2 heavy-duty stainless steel beaters, heavy-duty polished aluminum and nylon. Drive gears. Number 3. PrepWorks by Progressive Egg Beater. About this item, strong efficient blades are ideal for eggs, batter, and whipping cream. Turn of the handle begins the beating action. Made of ABS and stainless steel, dishwasher safe, measures 12-inch high by 3.25 wide. Number 2. Lord Eagle Hand Mixer Electric 400W, 5-speed handheld mixer, 5 stainless steel accessories for baking cake, egg, cream, food beater, turbo boost / self-control speed eject button. White. About this item, 5 speeds with ejection button. This hand mixer with 1 to 5 different speeds. Whether it is slow, medium, or fast speeds to meet your mixing needs in all directions. Note: need to adjust to 0 speed to eject. 400W powerful motor, fast heat dissipation. The newest upgrade, all pure copper motor, differ from copper-clad aluminum in the market. The minimum speed is 300W. The peak power turns to 400W when you turn the button to 5-speed. Mix dough, eggs, milk, butter, cake, or even cream quickly, efficiently, and easily. Turbo boost / self-control speed, suitable for beginners. Avoid ingredient splash, and can speed up each gear at the same time when you can't control the speed. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Egg Beater, white / black. About this item, perfect for eggs, light batters, whipped cream, and more. Smoothly rotating gears are enclosed for protection and easy cleanup. Beaters are elevated and continue to work while resting on bottom of bowl. Soft, comfortable non-slip handle and turning knob. Base and beaters detach from handle and are dishwasher safe. Handle is hand wash only.